I'm willing to sacrifice just about anything to win a championship. I've finished second so many times in everything I've done. I mean, I'm like the king of second place.
Well, I started racing when I was 6 years old, and I'm now 24, so. Pretty much a good majority of my life I've been doing it, and it's just all I've ever wanted, so I'm pretty.
And when the stakes rise, you'll see some situations that are interesting, to say the least. But those are things that that we welcome as a team. We are a thick-skinned bunch and prepared to deal with anything that a season can dish out.
He sat me down and so began the story of a charmless man, educated the expensive way.
We're sponsored by Factory Yamaha. We are Factory Yamaha's official 125 team, and it's our job to go out and win the 125 National Championship, and that's what we intend to do.
Make it that way.